Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to crochet a face mask smiley ball emoji. You'll need less than 100 yards of yarn and a size F crochet hook. To begin, make a magic ring, which is just a loose slip knot. Chain 1. Round 1. In this ring, make 6 single crochet stitches. Be sure to crochet over the tail end as you work your stitches in the ring. Pull the tail end to close the ring. Round 2. We're going to work in spirals. Start out with making 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch. 1 and 2. It's important to mark the first stitch of every round with a stitch marker so you know where to begin and end. Continue around this round with placing 2 single crochet stitches in each and every stitch. For round 3, remove the stitch marker, and in this round, our pattern will be 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 2 single crochet stitches all in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the next one. For round 4, the pattern will be 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch, followed by 1 single crochet, followed by another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And round 5. You can probably guess the pattern this time is 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Now for round 6, start with the same 2 single crochet stitches in the first stitch. And as you can see in every round, we're increasing by 1 more stitch in the pattern. So make 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Round 7 is another increase round. This time, it's 2 single crochet, followed by 5 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Round 8 is our last increase round. The pattern for this round is 2 single crochet, and then 6 single crochet over the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Rounds 9 through 19 are easy. You'll just make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You'll have a total of 48 single crochet stitches on each of these rounds. You can see what these rounds look like. They form the largest part of the smiley ball. In round 20, we're going to start doing decrease rounds instead. We'll start with a single crochet 2 together stitch. And with crochet toys, it's best to do your single crochet 2 together using the front loops only, to avoid bulk. After that decrease stitch, we'll do 1 single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Then after the 6 single crochet stitches, you'll go back to the single crochet 2 together, followed by another 6 single crochet stitches. For round 21, we'll start with a single crochet 2 together stitch, done in the front loops, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. After those 5 are done, we go back to the same pattern of a single crochet 2 together, followed by 5 regular single crochet stitches. Round 22, we'll do the single crochet 2 together, followed this time by 4 regular single crochet stitches, 1 in each of the next 4 stitches. For round 23, start with the single crochet 2 together, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Repeat this around. At this point, your smiley ball should look something like this. It's a good time to sew on the eyes. You can reach inside the ball like this and sew on the eyes. I'm using small black buttons for this. You can use flat buttons or you can use buttons with a shank on the back. You can just tie and knot inside the smiley ball to secure the eyes. Now it's time to stuff the toy. You can use scrap ends of yarn as stuffing, or you can use polyester fiber fill. This is available at most craft places. Fill it slowly with the stuffing until you are happy with the shape of the ball. Now it's time to close up the ball. For round 24, do the single crochet 2 together decrease stitch, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And for round 25, do a single crochet 2 together, followed by a regular single crochet. And finally, for round 26, make a few single crochet 2 together stitches around until you are unable to do so. Cut the yarn and use it to close up the bottom. I like to place the yarn through the ball like this and out the front. The mask will cover this area and it helps secure the yarn ends. For the face mask, begin with the chain 11. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of each row, chain 1 and turn. You'll make a total of 6 single crochet rows for the face mask. Continue with the same yarn that is connected and make at least 20 chains. Try the mask on the smiley ball and see if you need to add more or less to fit around. Sew and knot this end to the mask. Reconnect the yarn to the bottom of the mask and make 20 chains or so for this side. If you want, you can tuck the bottom end over the top end in the back to help secure it. And then sew this strap to the mask. And that's how I make a cute face mask smiley ball emoji.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.